Hi there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the 5 common mistakes that gardeners make when they go about their activities in the garden. So stick until the end and let's get started right away. The first mistake that gardeners make is overwatering. Overwatering can be a very big problem that will lead to root problems and also stunted growth in your plant. So it's advisable that you apply water only when needed and in the right amount. Also, you should use an efficient irrigation system so that you don't have a lot of wastages that will impact you economically. The second mistake is not pruning your plants. Pruning involve removing of dead, diseased and overgrown branches. It is advisable that you do pruning so that you have an healthy plant and also you get to have a bountiful harvest. The other problem is not preparing your soil well. It is advisable that you get to do your soil tests so that you know the kind of fertilizer that you need to use, the very amount and the type of crop that will do well on the particular soil. Also, this will make you know the kind of amendments that you need to condition the soil to fit the crop that you need to produce so that you don't make losses in the end. Therefore, it's advisable that you do this before planting any crop. The other problem is about minimal lighting. Every crop requires a certain amount of light for it to thrive and produce. Therefore, it's advisable you plant your crop in areas that receive maximum light. You should avoid shady areas and you'll be good to go. The other problem is the issue of not using the right tools. Use the wrong tools for a specific task in the farm or in the garden. You are advised to use the right tools so that you save on time and you avoid injuring your crop. Using the wrong tools will result in damages on the crop and also it can result in injuries on the user. You should keep your tools clean and sharp all the time so that you save on time and you go about your activities precisely. And there you have it, folks. These are the 5 common mistakes that gardeners make when they go about their daily activities in the farm. If you found this video helpful, I would encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on the next video.